Guys, Carti and Carti here again, guys, with another exclusive one for you guys. Alright, this one, guys, coming with a problem with the buzzing sound. It has this buzzing sound problem. Boo is like bing. Yeah, that's so they said they were at the event playing and it you have a power surge and then it goes out. And this one is the ROCKVILLE port box. This is the bass, you know, subwoofer part of it, and this is the RBG18FA. Alright, and that's it, guys. That's how the panel looks here, and the back of the box is over the other side. I'll show you the box later on, guys, but I just want to make a quick video just to show you guys what the funny thing with this. Alright, so that buzzing sound sometimes mostly comes from the power supply section where, you know, some stuff messed up like capacitor and stuff like that. I know it because of, you know, it could be an input issue, but this time it wasn't an input issue because I checked the input and I realized it's something foreign. They said, you know, they were at the event and, you know, stuff of power surge, and although power surge could be the same stuff, but guys, you want to be able to start taking apart, because this it uses, you could see some of the spot missing for the capacitors. Yeah, for the cap, what you guys call them, condenser. Yeah, 2 spots missing. I mean 4, so you need 4 more. I have 2 here that I replaced just to give it a test, but not really to give it a test. I was removing them to give them test them one by one. So pull this one out, guys. You see, it's intact. Both pins are intact. This one read fine. This one the reading even higher than the normal, than, you know, what it comes, showing that it's really good, it's in perfect condition. So now I'm removing these, guys. They come out with one leg broken. This one come out with both legs, so I thought it was me not starting or me pulling them too hard, and I was like, no. Then I realized I started to rock them, they're you know, they're shaking. And this one with 2 legs still, they're shaking. And then this one comes out like that, and then this one comes out like that too, guys. So as you can see, yeah, 63 volts, yep, 6,800 microfarad. And let me show you what happened, guys. And these little stump for them, these little stump, yep, left in the circuit. So the power surge, these caps are telling him, and these crap. These are some, look at that. They fall apart, guys. This comes apart. Just like that. Comes apart. So I was like, wow, really? Then I was like, no way. Then I realized at a closer look at them, you could see where like it burned. They burnt off inside the capacitor itself. You know? There's nothing on the outside. So I have 263 volts. So I said, okay, I'm gonna just put in these 2, one on one side and one on the other side, and just to, you know, a little filter in. I'm not gonna, you know, just pour it on. It's not like I'm going to play it, so, you know, it wouldn't be any stress on them. And then the one I turn it on, the buzzing sound gone, and I was like, wow. So right now I need 4 more caps to replace these, and these are the snapping caps. These weren't the snapping ones, these are the little cheap ones, and these are some really cheap caps. And guys, another thing with them, we shake it. I don't know if you guys can't hear it, but they're shaking inside. When you shake it, yeah, you feel the stuff inside touching on the other side. Yeah, they're shaking up. If you do it like this, it shakes. If you do it like this, it shakes. Oh yeah, so definitely. So all these 4, all of these, guys, need to be replaced. Oh man, show you guys. Let me show you the box, guys. Let me show you the box. Even though you guys can look it up on, but the box is right here, guys. That's the box right there. Yep, that's the box. Fancy little box. Can't wait to hear it play. But I don't have enough of those caps. Sorry, guys, I'm blocking now. I don't have enough caps, guys, to put in this now to give you a bench test. I could test this with what I'm having, but it's, yeah, that would make any much sense anyways, but you know, just to let you guys know, whenever you get them with that buzzing sound, one of these or any other amplifier, yeah, most of the time when it's like power surge, it could be here, still could be input, but most of the time it's here, a little buzzing sound. And here's the little thing that's burnt off. Yeah, I said they burnt off right inside. And I was like, when I take the second one out, man, guys, I was like, wow, that shouldn't happen like that. And this is the first, I repair stuff before we did like that, but like it wouldn't be one, and it would be like corroded and stuff like that, and then you would touch the leg and it would break off, or you take it out, or you take one leg out, and then when you take the cap up, the other one left in the circuit, just like this, but it would be corroded, and you could see why, you know, why that happened. But with this, yeah, you wouldn't see the burn, but one of them you could see where it's not this one. But I don't think you guys will see it though. But this one here have a little, black spot. You could see like it sparks. Yeah, so definitely power surge, cause this, you know, these caps to burn out, you know. Yeah, these caps, I couldn't even test them. I was like, wow. Let me put the ohms meter on it and put one of the pin inside and see. Not this one. And see if I get any reading from ohms, like beep. Holy crap! But it's beeping without nothing on. Why is it reading like that? Alright, let's see. It's reading like that because that's weird. Alright, let me try one more. Alright, this one doesn't, see? So I'm reading with ohms and it still wasn't doing it there. One was short, you know, but it wasn't displaying anything like it was short. That's weird. But yes guys, so anytime, that's it. These are the problem. This is the problem. This is the problem for these ROCKVILLE. And these are some cheaply made cap. Honestly, to tell you the truth, guys. They're, because, you know, I don't know why the legs they shake like that. And this shouldn't be shaking by the power surge. I'm pretty sure the power surge doesn't cause. I'm sure, guys, you could hear that one. Shaking inside. Oh wow. So whenever, guys, you get one like this, that's the fix for it. Always to the power supply circuit. They may look fine in the circuit. Before I was testing them in circuit, and you know, and then I say I was getting some weird reading, and I was like, yeah, it's never a good idea to test them in the circuit. And I was like, nah, let's take them apart and test them one by one. And I was doing that. Lo and behold, this is what I come up with. That's the problem, guys. All this repair, and I put two inside just to give it a test, because they're both, they're connecting in parallel, so they're one here, one over here, so it works. So anytime you have one, guy, if you have one to give, or two to give a test run, yeah, you could do two to give that test. You don't worry about not putting in all of these. Yeah, you can work with one on this, one on this side. So it will play, yeah, but don't pressure it, guys. Yeah, just to give it a test, I can do that, but yeah. Yes, guys, so that's it for this repair, and as I say, guys, see you guys on the next one. So that's it for this ROCKVILLE subwoofer repair. If you have Cartier, guys, any question you guys can ask me, and I'll definitely share stuff with you. Or like before you guys go, let me see before I go. This uses the TTC 5200, and this is the TTA 1943. Yeah, normally it would be the A 1943 and the C 5200. So I don't know why they have that TT in front of it. You know, those little new fancy name they put on these stuff. I don't know why. But normally it would be the A 1943 and the C 1500. Regular transistors that these stuff uses. And what really amazed me that they use 1, 2, 8 of them in this. That's really powerful. That's a lot of transistors for the subwoofer that plays on the 118 inch. Yeah, I think 4 would be good enough, but yeah, it uses 8. I guess they're saying it's that powerful. I don't know, but I see a lot of review on it where people playing down, they say they're a monster. So they could be right. That's why I really want to test it, so and see. But for now, guys, that's it. Cartier and Cardi out, guys. For now, if you like what you see, please like, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you guys for watching, and thank you very much, guys. Alright, Cartier and Cardi out for now.